Alright, good morning. Here we are again. Last day of the main rear seal and PCV. And I think we're pretty much there. Just a few more things to reinstall from the PCV system. Then there's a few more parts like the starter, of course the intake manifold and the airbox. And we gotta wait for the new parts for the injectors. Because yeah, these heat shields, they're broke. And well, we're gonna do the rubbers. We're gonna do the seals also. And then there's also the vacuum hosted brake booster. This one is well, completely shot, so we ordered that new as well. Yeah, let's get to it. Alright, let's start by reinstalling the starter. Yes, we're a little bit under time pressure. We decided we're not gonna clean everything like we usually do. We are just going to take out the entire engine in the future, and then in the distant future. But that's all, yeah, I think maybe 2 to 3 years before we get to that. Unless, of course, something else breaks.
Well, that's... we need to bleed that. It's not so nice.
No.
Is it still working? Maybe we should check. We bleeded it yesterday. Maybe something happened.
Okay, I'll press it. We'll see what happens.
Yes.
Feels like a regular clutch. Well, maybe a bit light, but that's to be expected when it's new. Alright, bolt it down, connectors on it. And don't forget the wheelie. Draai de wheelie toe. Alright, let's try to figure out that cable tree. We don't need it. It's probably LPG related. Yeah. This one from here. Are they? Yeah, this was what we were expecting. Where did everything go? I will figure it out.
It's been 3 days.
Underneath there was that bracket. So that bracket is on there now as well. That was a little bit of a struggle, but we got it on. Ja, waar zat die? Kan niet heel ver zijn. Right, let's reinstall the intake manifold right now, I guess. Well, first we gotta
Move the old gasket and clean behind it.
Exactly. Alright, so it appears that or we have the wrong gasket. Although this is for the 850-20 valve with our engine code, the B5254. So, well, as you can see, this gasket has a different shape, and that is shaped identically to our manifold. But we also had the other one, the other intake manifold gasket, and it appears it's also an aftermarket one that has the somewhat corrector shape, but that hole is on the wrong side, because on the left side it aligns nicely with the hole, but this one is on the wrong side, so we'll just drill a hole ourselves and then, yeah. How hard can it be to get a correct...
Two Sunday morning, Monday morning gaskets.
Yeah. Well, this is completely wrong, this one, so we're gonna replace that intake manifold anyway, so the gasket for now, that'll be fine.
Let's mark that and drill a hole.
Yeah, it's always something, right? Oh well. Right, we also wanted to get this to work a little bit smoother. and that is the intake manifold reinstalled. Got the cable for the gas pedal reinstalled. That was on the yeah.
Needs to go through here. Whoa.
Got the little cover for the starter, but it is back on.
Yes.
Right. Now that thing.
The idle control valve or something.
Oh yeah. So parts should be coming in a couple of hours. So we're gonna prepare the injectors.
Move on.
Yeah. So we'll have to wait for the new parts now. But there's two more things we can well, there's three more things we can do. Oh yeah. We gotta install a new tow bar dopje. We got a new cover for the windshield motor in the back and little clips to hold in that door rubber.
Whoa.
Huh. Nice. Got a new rubber for the oil filler cap. That is much tighter in there. Right, let's put that back as well. So we got these new heat shields and we got the new rubbers. Yeah, that's all looking good. Looks like they are the same. Yep. Perfect. Let's replace those as well. Let's see if those are easy to reconnect. Yeah, let's hope this doesn't break the rest. Yay! Where's the last one? Oh, here. What a shit bag. Last one. Right. That's all the seals replaced. A little bit of oil on the rubbers so they slide in nicely. Right. Nice.
That's that.
Stick mijn vinger in de gat.
Did that.
Connected. Connected. That's on, that's on. So we also got new ones for these. Final piece, and then hopefully she still starts and hopefully she won't leak anywhere. Alright, so there is only junk left. Yep, not a single nut or bolt lying around somewhere, so we got everything back. So do you want to start it or should I do it?
I'll try.
Alright, hopefully nothing explodes. Okay, we got power, pumping some fuel. Here we go. Well, she starts, that's something. Seems to be dry. Still running smooth.
Kunnen nog wel spannend.
No leak so far, so looking good. Let's drive her around a little and come back, get her up in the air again and see if then there's anything leaking.
See if it drives actually.
Oh yeah. Alright, let's see. Do we still have a clutch?
Parking brake is on,
Yo.
just in case.
Okay, you can shift gears, that's something.
Alright.
Oh,
Gripping.
it moves. Looking good.
Wow.
I think I don't see any issues with this.
Alright. I'm confident we can drive.
Yeah, so am I. Let's go.
Alright.
How does the clutch feel?
Like new?
Like new.
I think.
Okay, so we need to get it realigned. Well, it's to be expected, but it's not too big of a problem. Okay, so far we're happy. Seems to be driving okay. Now let's go check if nothing's leaking. I'm really nervous. I don't want to look. How's that looking?
Well, here are no drops.
Okay, that's good.
Well, the last time we drove it was all wet.
Yeah. Oh, we drove a bit further than that, but if that leak was still that severe, then we would have seen it there.
Yes.
The axles, are those still dry? Because we suspected one of those. No, this one is looking perfect.
If it was leaking, it would be all wet over here.
Yeah.
This is for now looking good. Right.
I think we did it.
Can't believe it.
Yeah.
4 days of hard work.
I'm not confident we did it.
We'll wait for a few days.
Yeah. Right then.
Well,
Then that would be all we could do today. So thanks for watching and see you the next time.
bye.
I really don't feel it yet.
Ik ook niet. Ik geloof het eigenlijk niet.
Alright, a little update. We drove about 1500 kilometers at this point and all is still looking good. It appears we actually successfully replaced the rear main seal. So, Sweden, here we come. Thanks for watching and see you the next time.